Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I will tell you how you can quickly review where is the most data is consumed on your disk storage and how you can simply delete them. Okay, so before wasting your time, let's do it. Okay, so you can simply open a terminal on your window, like either it is left side or somewhere else. You can simply open it and then become sudo first. Okay, put your password and then you can type simply command, that is du-h. This is the disk usage using the human readable, and then the next is hyphen max, then depth equal to 1 to it should no go to check the system files, and then slash, and then sort hyphen hr to find out the main sources of the data, and then head hyphen n and then 10. So here we are finding top 10 data. Okay, so just press enter and it will, so you can see some files are not accessible or doesn't have much data or something like that, so it is just skipped. Now you can see here the total volume size is 20 GB and user has 5.7 GB of data consumption, and similarly 5 GB in snap, and then var, and then all. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is totally 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 1 2 3 4 5. Now what you can do here is you can simply check more and go further, like user. So you can execute the same command and use usr and then hit enter. Okay, now you can see which directory is consuming more data. So similarly you can check your home usage, like I'm going to check home and then enter, and then you can go further, like admin 2, and then you can see it's a download is 272 MB. Okay, so I can simply delete this. So let's go to downloads and then ls to verify which data here is. Now rm-rf and then zoom. Okay, enter. Now it is deleted. So we can re-verify -disk and -h. It means you can also verify here, like how it was consumed and stored. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can see this is reduced. The one thing I can also show you here is, if you do not have a much understanding in terminal commands, so you can simply go in search mode and type disk, and in Ubuntu this is the best facility. You can simply come here and then click to /root1, so it should analyze and show you everything here. It means where the data is mostly consumed. So you can simply find out and delete. And how you can delete, you can just open file explorer, you can go there from here only. Okay, so this is pretty cool, and it can be utilized for data analysis, disk review and listen. So thank you so much, have a nice day.